So today, it's a very special day. I'm so excited! And the reason why I'm so excited is because I got my first Harry Potter subscription box from Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, and it's the Wizard's Vault. So that is very exciting for me. I've been waiting a whole month for this box, so I'm on my way to pick it up at my little post office thing. Yay! So I first saw, I think it was a Potter collector that I saw opening one of these boxes from Bibbidi Bobbidi, and I know there's at least 5 others subscriptions for Harry Potter stuff or Harry Potter items, but I've read really good reviews for this one, so that's why I'm so excited. And this box has, I believe, 2 different price range. I got the one, hold on, let me open this thing. So they have 2 different prices. One is $89 plus tax, which is like $96, I believe, and then the other one is around $60. So with the price, you get more collectible items with the higher price, obviously, but I thought I would get it once at least so that I can see what the hype is about and what I can get. They make you take a quiz for kind of like to guess the items that you want to receive. So here it is.
Let's see. Here it is. Oh my god. I am so excited. Like, I'm really excited. So here is the box. Oh wow, it's pretty big. I genuinely forgot to cancel the subscription and it just got charged again for a second box. So this was supposed to be just 1 box, but now I'm getting 2. And even though I was really like, I really wanted to, I was supposed to really cancel it, and I really forgot. I'm excited that I'm getting 2. Yay! Hi everyone. Abby here, and today I'm gonna be filming a very cool unboxing. As you can tell, if you haven't from everything that's going on here, I like Harry Potter. I'm a fan. I'm a Gryffindor. I'm a lot of things. Weird and I hope funny, so you can watch me. But anyway, wanted to wear this cool glasses in honor of our theme, but I'm gonna take them off because they have the worst glare. So anyway, about a month ago I subscribed to the Bibbidi Box monthly subscription box, and I had been very impatiently waiting for this box. So I finally got it yesterday in the mail. I wanted to wait so I can do the opening with you guys. So we're gonna start and have my coffee here ready to go. So let's see what we got. Now this is the first time I'm getting this box, and I am only getting it once, well actually twice, but I was only supposed to get it once because I wanted to do a review, wanted to see what I got, and before, you know, I didn't have the means to get this box. Bibbidi Box has 2 different subscriptions for the monthly box, and Bibbidi does have a Disney theme box and then a Harry Potter Vault box. So if you are a Disney fan or Disney Princess, Star Wars, anything related to Disney, you can also get a customized box every month from them. So the first time I heard from Bibbidi Box was through, I believe, the Potter collector. He was doing reviews on a couple different subscription boxes from Harry Potter. Go follow him and check it out. But I wanted to check it out, like I said before, I didn't have the means, the extra money to get it. Their boxes do go for, I believe one is $69 every month, and then there's a higher price which is $89 a month, which is the one I got. I wanted to see what kind of items I got from the high-end box. So like I said, I was supposed to get it just once and I was going to cancel my subscription, and then with everything that's going on, I live in another world almost, and I completely forgot I had to cancel my subscription, so I was charged it again. So I will be getting a second box, but I was only supposed to get one for the review. So let's start. I haven't opened it. It's got a little plastic wrapping around it, which is good so that nothing is harmed or damaged. Not harmed, damaged. So yeah, so when you do subscribe, you get, you have to take a quiz so that, I'm sure it's so they know what kind of items you get, what you're more comfortable with. So just make sure that you answer those questions for them so you can get the items that you would want, okay? Alright, so upon opening, and I like the design on the box, if you can see it. I like that it has all these little pictures on here. So let's see. Okay, so here's what you get, and it has one letter. Thank you for that. So like I said, here's the box, and it's got a cool tissue paper wrapping and a sticker here that seals this, and it says Wizard's Vault. So open this up. I am very excited. I'm trying to contain myself, but I'm very excited. I wonder if it. Okay, so here we go. And oh, okay. Ooh, I get a backpack, I believe. So here it is. Watch how I got the biggest item out of the bag before anything else. So here it is. I got a backpack, and I love this. I know I just got it out, but I had been looking on Amazon to buy a backpack, and I wasn't sure which one to get it. So that's why that was another reason why I got this box, because I wanted to try other products, and sometimes you're not sure you want to pay the full price, and so this was a good option for me. But I do like it. It is Harry Potter licensed item, and it has straps so you can carry it, put it in this backpack, and then it has two handles here to hold. So I like this, and it has a, I'm gonna open this up, and it is pretty spacious. Oh, I like the lining inside of the backpack. So here's this just striped white and gray, and I like those colors, so yay. I'm very excited. I like this bag. I have been looking at a similar one online, so I'm very happy that I got one. Alright, the other item. So there's the backpack, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 items in my box. The other one is a pin, and it's a pin of the chocolates that, I don't know if you can see it, Romilda sends to Harry Potter, but Ron ends up eating the chocolates, and so he gets poisoned. But it's a pin. This is the pin with the chocolates that Romilda sends to Harry Potter. So, ooh, I like this one. I like pins lately. I've been seeing a lot of pins, and I've been wanting to get one, but anyway, but I'm glad I got this pin. I will be using it for sure. Don't want to take it out of the packaging yet, so I'm gonna wait. And then the other one, it is a lanyard. It comes in this cool little packaging.
Let me see. Okay. It says, "You're just as sane as I am. Don't worry." And I love this face from Luna. Luna's one of my favorite characters, along with Dobby, so I do like this one.
And it has like a little keychain almost with the Luna iconic glasses. So that's pretty cool. And then on the lanyard, it's also Harry Potter licensed item. It says the same thing. Just
Don't worry, you're as sane as I am. I'm glad
I got it. I don't know if I mentioned it before. I have a trip planned to Universal Studios in Orlando for, I believe we're going in September, if everything keeps going the way it is. And so they are going to be providing me with lanyards because I booked my trip through a travel agent, so I will be getting one, but we'll be there for 3 days. So I can change it up with this. I like it. I will use it.
It's very cool. I like Luna, so that's also exciting. Got 3 items, so the 4th item is, let me see.
Is a candle. And it says dirigible plums keep on.
Smells like lemon. It's lemony.
Go. And it has glitter inside. So, yeah. Before you enjoy your treasure, we hope you enjoy your treasure hunt. Always be sure to let the silver price become fully visible and put out the flame before removal. Never leave a buffet unattended. Wait, so there's something inside? There is, right? Yes! So I have to I have to burn the candle, and there's something inside the candle. So
sorry, it took me a minute for it to make sense. That says, be sure to let the silver price become fully visible and put out the flame before removal.
So we have to burn this candle to see what's inside. So it'll be interesting to see. And like I said, I'm
very impatient, so I will have to wait until this candle burns out so that I can see what's inside. But anything else? Yep, so that's it. Those are our items for this box. And on the email confirmation slip that I got for this box, it said this was the Gringotts vault box. So I don't see anything related to Gringotts, so I don't know why they named this box that. But anyway, maybe there's something inside that's worth Gringotts money, or that it's Gringotts approved. So I'll give you guys an update when it burns out and I can pull out whatever is inside here.
But these are the 4 items that I got. It's the candle, it is the Tropical of the Romilda chocolate box, and then we have the lanyard that is Luna Lockwood theme, and the backpack. I think out of all these items, my favorite's the backpack, obviously. I will be wearing this. I do have one other pin that says 9 3/4, so I'm glad to be extending my pin collection. If it were up to me, I would keep getting it every month, but I
can't, with everything that's going on, I have to be conscious about my money, so like I said, even though I would love to keep getting this box every month, I can't. I have to pay my bills. I'll have to wait. Like I said,
I am getting another box for June, but I'll have to wait till the end of the month for that. But yeah, I'll have to wait. So hope you guys like this video. Hope it helps you decide or make you want to try it. I think at least once, if you're a Harry Potter fan, I think at least once you should get it. It's exciting to get it. It's exciting to open it. So I think you should give it a try at least once.
If you have one, if not, it's fine.
Or not, just keep watching us, or keep watching the Potter Collector. He does a lot of this unboxing subscription boxes, and then he's a Harry Potter fan. He is. Alright, well, here is my unboxing, and hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see something more like this, and if you know, just let me know. I do have an Instagram that I will post somewhere, my handle, Twitter, and I'm working on my Facebook page because I just started with this, but go check it out. I have some pictures on Instagram from Denver, around Denver. I will be posting other things, so be sure, if you like weird things, funny things, follow me. Okay? Bye!